Here's everything you need about turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper tea, including its powerful benefits in a simple recipe to make it at home. This golden tea blend combines four potent natural ingredients used in traditional medicine for centuries. Here are its top benefits. Number 1, reduces inflammation. Turmeric and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic pain, puffy joints? Sip this anti-inflammatory golden tea. Your body will thank you. 2, boosts immunity. Rich in antioxidants, this tea strengthens your immune system. 3, improves digestion. Ginger and black pepper stimulate digestive enzymes. Have bloating? Indigestion? This spicy smooth tea helps your gut feel great again. 4, regulates blood sugar. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Say goodbye to sugar spikes. Cinnamon plus turmeric equals stable energy all day long. 5, enhances brain function. Curcumin in turmeric may improve memory and focus. 6, relieves joint pain, natural pain relief due to anti-inflammatory properties. 7, supports heart health. Cinnamon and turmeric help reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. 8, detoxifies the body. Flush toxins out naturally. This golden detox tea resets your system. 9, aids weight loss, boosts metabolism, and reduces appetite. 10, fights cold and flu, runny nose, sore throat. This immune-boosting tea is your natural flu fighter. Easy recipe ingredients. 1 cup water, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, or freshly grated turmeric. ½ teaspoon ginger powder, or freshly grated ginger. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of black pepper. Optional, 1 teaspoon honey or lemon juice for taste. Instructions. 1, bring the water to a boil in a small pot. 2, add turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper. 3, simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain into a cup. 5, add honey or lemon if desired. 6, sip warm and enjoy its healing goodness. Pro tip, drink this tea in the morning or before bedtime to maximize detox and healing effects. Try it daily for glowing skin, pain relief, and better energy. Subscribe